DJT stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Trump media and technology stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. Right, I'm looking at DJT and we're sitting a good 25 bucks and it is 4.8% up. I personally am obviously election days coming. A lot of stuff is going to be affected, as well as DJT, of course. But until then, the way that I'm approaching this market is just doubling down this bullish momentum. Took me way too much time to figure out this strategy after 4 years and like literally 30,000 videos, and I'm not gonna even say how much dollars I've lost on mentorships and just trading in itself. But yeah, with DJT, the way that I'll approach it is wait for it to pull down, and only then if it gives me that confirmation or that double break, or if it starts accumulating, pretty much the same thing, only then I'll buy. Hopefully that makes sense. When the WAC was here, it was just, I was killing it. Like, I don't know if you remember, if you're new in the channel, but OGs know. If you know, you know. If you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description.